Hello students, welcome to the class. Students, while going to the market, आज मैंने two small girls को बातें करते हुए सुना. They were talking like this. First, hi friend, how are you? Second one replied, I am fine, what about you? The first said, I am also fine, but nowadays I am worried about my brother. Then again the second one asked, why? What happened? First replied, I am worried about my brother. He does not care about his studies. He lives in Kolkata. Then the second one says, why don't you write him a letter? First said, letter? I don't know how to write a letter. Will you tell me? Then the second says, sorry, but I also don't know how to write a letter. So students, ये था conversation between both of them. देखा आपने, उन्हें लेटर प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट ही नहीं पता है. क्या आपको लेटर राइटिंग का प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट पता है? ओह या, ये तो हमने लास्ट वीडियो में ही देखा था. हाउ टू राइट एन इनफॉर्मल लेटर फॉलोइंग द प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट. तो अगर आपको ये पता है, टुडे वी विल हेल्प देम बाय राइटिंग द लेटर इन प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट. द क्वेश्चन विल बी write a letter to your brother asking him to pay attention to his studies. Format आपको already पता है, which is date, sender's address, receiver's address, salutation, introduction, middle, conclusion. At last, name of the sender. Know about them in detail. So, let's start writing the letter. The question was, write a letter to your brother asking him to pay attention on his studies. So आपको याद होगा सबसे पहले हमें क्या मेंशन करना होता है? करेक्ट, सबसे पहले हम मेंशन करते हैं डेट. Now comes sender's address. जलालपुर अंबेडकर नगर. अब बारी है receiver's address की. We will mention here the address of the girl's brother. 10 दमदम रोड कोलकाता. तो ये हो गया हमारा एड्रेस. बारी है सैल्यूटेशन की, which you will tell me. करेक्ट, सैल्यूटेशन में हम मेंशन करेंगे डियर ब्रदर. अब हमें क्या लिखना होगा? टेल मी बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर, which will be like this. I just got mother's letter and came to know that you are not performing well in your studies. Education plays an important role in our life, which should be done with full concentration. In conclusion, we will write, I hope you will understand my concern and concentrate on the study. अब हम लेटर को क्लोज करेंगे ये लिखते हुए, Your lovely sister, और यहाँ पे होगा नेम लेटर लिखने वाले का. That's all. Now the letter is complete. The girls are happy now because you helped them and wrote a letter for them. तो अब हम देखेंगे कि हमें होमवर्क में क्या करना होगा. The question is, write a letter to your friend inviting him or her for your birthday party. आपको अपने फ्रेंड को इनवाइट करना है अपनी बर्थडे पार्टी में. By writing a letter, you may use the hints. जैसे अपना एड्रेस बताइए कि पार्टी कहाँ पे होगी, टाइम ऑफ द पार्टी, मेंबर्स इनवाइटेड, etc. So students, use these hints, write a beautiful letter and enjoy your day. Bye. See you in the next video. Thank you.